Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to fix Valorant black screen on startup. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, this tutorial will be a very quick and easy tutorial. So when you open your Valorant, when you see the black screen, what you can do or what you should do is to click on the F11 button on your keyboard. Okay, so I cannot show that to you right now because I cannot install the game. Okay, but basically just go ahead and click on the F11 button on your keyboard and that should fix the problem. And once the problem is fixed, what you need to do is to just go ahead and click on the settings at the upper right corner of your Valorant tab. And once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the video option. So click on the video option and then in the display mode, select the windowed full screen. Okay. So in some reason, Valorant is not working when you select the full screen only on display mode. Okay, just go ahead and select the windowed full screen. And after that, you should just go ahead and enjoy playing your Valorant. Okay? And that is how you fix Valorant black screen on startup. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.